Hey guys, I want to get on here today and I wanted to um, thank each and one of you for your cards, your emails, your flowers, your texts, all your sweetness since my aunt passed away and the funeral was yesterday. It meant a lot to me. All your beautiful comments here on YouTube, all your sweetness on as well on my Facebook and my Instagram. Thank you so very much. It means the world to me. I know I can't say thank you enough. When you have someone in your family that passes away, it is just a piece of you go away. And you know that you got to continue and be the best you can and make them proud of you. And that's my determination to do is to make sure that my loved ones that have passed and the ones that are still here, we're very thankful. I am very thankful that they are proud of me. If you have less confidence in yourself, there's 10 ways to boost confidence. And I'm going to read you some and maybe comment on a one or two. Always list your strengths. List down your strengths of what you are good at. Accept your limitations. Don't should yourself. Should I do this? Should I do that? Gain some perspective. That's a good one. Try something new. You know, we get in a way in our lives that we just continue with the same thing. But try something new. My aunt that just passed away, she had a whole new life and started 2.5 years ago. When she moved from one state to another to be with her daughter, she was in a wonderful place. They had activities. She loved it. And she tried something new and loved it. You can too. Celebrate your wins. When you do something wonderful and great, celebrate it. Be happy for it. Don't say, "Oh well, I could have done better. Oh no, I can't. Well, I don't know how I won." Don't do that. Celebrate your wins. So important. Practice positive talk. Yes, practice self-talk, positive talk. It's so great to know that you feel good about yourself. Nobody's going to make you feel good but you, and I've said that 100 times and you've heard it. Accept compliments. When someone compliments you and say, "Oh, you look so pretty today, and I love your outfit," or "I love your shoes," or "Gosh, your eyes are beautiful," or "You have the prettiest smile," whatever they say to you, accept those compliments and not try to put them down. Say, "Oh, well, this old thing, I just bought it. Oh, I didn't know if I should wear it today, blah, blah, blah." No, accept compliments. It'll make you feel good. Just say, "Thank you so much." Lucky they gave you a gift. They did. They gave you a gift. Show others how to treat you. You know what that means? To me, it means treat them good, treat them nice, be kind, and they'll be kind to you. If not, you don't need them as a friend. You know what I mean? And be kind to you. Be kind to you. Doesn't that make sense? Be the best you can. Be kind to yourself. Watch what you eat. When you put something in your mouth and you say, "I don't need to eat that," and I'm thinking in the back of your head and thinking about, "Oh, I shouldn't eat this, I shouldn't eat this." Don't eat it. Get a bite. Maybe a little nibble. That's fine. That'll be good. Just a little nibble. But don't eat the whole thing if you know it's not going to be good for you, right? You don't want to get something, you want a donut and you can't have it, but you know you shouldn't have it because you maybe medical or something is going on in your life. But be kind to yourself. Nobody's going to. You, as we come in this world, we learn to love or we learn to hate. We come in this world to smile or we come in this world to just frown. We come in this world not knowing which way to do, and it's up to you to make that decision that you will be the best you can. Don't anyone, don't let anyone, don't let anyone, I'll say it again, don't let anyone tear you down. Be positive. I hope you guys have a great day, a wonderful week. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And to be kind. Be kinder than they are. I love you guys. Until tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't always say that. And don't forget to make a comment in the bottom. And thank you all again for the wonderful, sweet, loving, caring compliments and comments. Until tomorrow. I think I said that before.